And we're back. This is another basic just unboxing video real quick as I buy parts for the Sport Glide. So as you can see, the box that just fell over, that's from Memphis Shades. So what we have is, let's check it out real quick. This is a Memphis Shades 17-inch El-Paso. Basically, it is the exact same shield that I put on the Sportster here. Quick detach, same size, should fit perfect for the Sport Glide. Part number is MEP 5279. Okay, so this should fit nice. If you own a Sport Glide, you know as well as I do, the fairing is basically worthless. That little sport fairing they put on it blocks absolutely no wind, and mine even has the 5.5-inch windshield on it, and it's worthless. I mean, I don't understand why Harley did this, other than the fact that they wanted people to buy windshields, especially if you do any kind of lengthy riding. If you're just riding, bar hopping, or doing 15-20 miles this way and that way, it's okay. You don't mind getting beat up by the wind. But yeah, if you're going to do any kind of touring, which I would eventually like to, like I do with my Street Glide, I would like to take this on, you know, some longer rides. You need a windshield that actually gives you some protection, which is one of the reasons why I stuck this El-Paso on the Sportster. So it gives you plenty of blocking, so you're not fatigued at the end of an hour or 2-hour ride. All right, and in this box, what we have is MEB 2047, which is, let's see if I can get that close enough. You guys can make out part numbers. And this is the black quick disconnect hardware for the shield, again for the Sport Glide. I wanted black instead of silver because the Sport Glide has a lot of black trim on it. You know, like the forks are black, the air cleaner's black. Obviously, the side covers are always black on them. But I felt with the black hardware, it would kind of hide and fade into like the triple tree, because here's where it mounts. So I think that that would look a lot better over the polished. And that, again, this is just my opinion. So, you know, opinions vary, right? And then let's see. I will post in the about section of this video where I purchased it off of eBay. It's the best deal you can get. Instead of buying a package deal, I bought them each separate from the same company, and it ended up being $245 if I remember right, with tax. If I had purchased the package deal, the cheapest one I found was like $246, but then New Jersey sales tax is on top of that, which means it was like $263. So, and then one other thing I did get, show you right here, trying to think, and this is a spare garage door opener because I have, you know, I have a power garage door. So this came off of Amazon. I think I paid $11.58 shipped and with tax from them. And what I'm going to do is I want to put some Velcro on the back side and stick it up in the saddlebag to where I can just pop the saddlebag and reach back and hit the button to open the door. I think it'll work. Obviously, I'll make a video showing exactly what we have, and you know, if it does work well, which I'm sure it will. I didn't want to spend the $100 to get the same mount that I got for my for my Street Glide. So that one is a little more involved. You mount it under the side cover, and it has a waterproof button that you mount wherever you feel. And I have it mounted, you know, on the firewall on the bike itself, right underneath the seat. So, but I think this will work well for what I need for the Sport Glide, and this way I don't have to carry one in my pocket, because that just adds, obviously, extra crap in your pocket. So, all right, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and follow, because mounting the tour pack and the trunk is going to be in a video, and then putting the windshield and the quick disconnect hardware will be a video coming up, and then of course the garage door opener, and that'll be a video also. Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the next video.